Hey guys, Kerry Knoll back with you again for Local Funnel Academy. I've got another new training video for you. In this particular video, we are going to cover the settings section right here inside of a sales funnel, or inside of the interface we see here. So if we click on settings, we're going to see all the possible settings we have for this funnel. And I'm going to start with the top row here. We can reset the stats. So each funnel has its stats, and I'm going to cover what the stats look like and everything else. But if you want to reset them for a funnel, you click on this button. If you want to share this funnel, you click on this button here. And if you want to clone this funnel and make a duplicate of it, you can just simply click on this button or link right here. And then we have the name. This is where we're going to name our funnel. We can tag our funnel to, say like, this could just be test. Or it could be, whatever we want to tag it so it's easy to find and we can search for it later based on the tag. If we added our domain, which remember I went over and I suggested you don't add domains directly to this, you would select your domain here just by clicking the drop down box and then selecting your domain. And then we have our path, okay? And so our path is the path of this funnel starting page. You can edit this value if you like. I usually typically leave it alone. I don't usually mess with that. Sometimes I do, but you don't have to. You have your SMTP configuration. This is for email. Sometimes you want to use a different SMTP server for your email. You can definitely configure that here. We have the favicon URL, so if you want to have a different little icon like you see up at the top here on my screen with the PayPal. You want a little icon for your funnel, you can add the link here to it. You just add the URL. We have the head tracking code. This is where you'd want to put in any code that you would want to put between what they call the head tags on your website or web page. They have the body tracking code. This is also tracking codes where you want to stick between the body tags of your HTML page or what HTML is getting rendered for this particular sales funnel. All right, down here, you can see what it says here: share funnel only plans cannot reshare funnels. So you would have to upgrade in order to unlock the ability to share a funnel from this account to another account. But if it was available, you'd see it here, and you would see a link that you could copy and give to somebody and then share your funnel. Under here in Stripe account, this is where you can select the default account, or we have the PayPal one, but we didn't give it a name. That's why there's a blank there. And then I'm sorry, no, PayPal is not there. This is the default account or the Stripe one that we set up, right? So you always want to make sure it's selected. You can easily do test mode, right? So when you check out, you have to use this as your credit card number with any future expiration date and CVV number, but you must also make sure that the Stripe account that you have set up is in test mode at Stripe as well. So you flip that on and make sure it's on in Stripe in order to do testing. Now we have Zapier. In case you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a really cool tool that allows you to connect a whole bunch of other apps to one another through basically simple user interface, but it does a bunch of cool connectivity to make sure things are all set up. So like right here, send Gmail messages when new contacts are added to ClickFunnels. So you can use this app, add or update MailChimp subscribers from new activity in ClickFunnels contacts. These are just some of the basic ones that ClickFunnels is set up, right? Add new ClickFunnels orders to Google Sheets. Add or update active campaign contacts from new activity in ClickFunnels contacts. So you can do a whole bunch of cool things there. And then we have webhooks. All right, and webhooks is something I've never really used, so I don't have much experience in this, and I can't really give you a whole bunch of information, but if you need to know more about it, you can always look at the webhook documentation here and learn more about it. And then third-party membership access for non-order from purchase tracking. So this would mean you're going to track purchases, upgrades, downgrades, and membership access inside of ClickFunnels membership areas from third-party processors. So this hooks up to ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, PayPal, And then what you do is you add your product, and when someone purchases that product, they get certain access to things, and it's tracked through ClickFunnels. And then of course we can archive or delete a funnel. We can view archive funnel steps, and then we can hit the save and update settings. So this is a settings page. You'll do a lot with this page on a regular basis with your sales funnels. All right, I'm going to wrap this video up, and we'll see you in the next training video. Take care.